All right, I made the rookie mistake of leaving my carpet in. I'm using this foam. What y'all want to know what y'all think it is? I'm using it. I went and got the brakes done and all that. You know, the mechanics, they got the grease on the ground. They get inside, my carpet is black. Got grease spots all on it and everything. So I'm like, damn. So I'm using this foam with this little brush on it. As you can see, the red stuff from the carpet came off on it. So I'm trying to see what I can do to get it clean again, get it cleaned. I was gonna throw it in the washing machine. So I was like, I wonder how would that do? What do y'all think about throwing it in the washing machine? How many of y'all threw yours in the washing machine and got good results? How many of y'all use this? I'm using Turtle Wax carpet and mats. Heavy duty cleaner. Heavy duty, supposed to be. But I would like to know, what do y'all use? I'm using this, so I don't know how good it'll do. It's my first time cleaning mats, so first time being clean since 1987. And actually not that bad. Actually, I threw it in the washing machine once and made the rookie mistake of putting something else in there with it, and you can see the rag that came off in it, the lint from the other rags. So I just turned it over, but trying to see. So what y'all think? What do y'all use to clean your mats and your Cadillacs? Let me know.